Hi everyone, my name is Haley Johns and I'm here at Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. Today I get to show you the 2023 Reflection. It's the 370 FLS front living room. So I believe that this is Reflection's first front living room floor plan. So if I'm wrong on that, please correct me in the comments, but I believe that this is Reflection's first front living room floor plan. So we're starting on the inside today, then we'll work our way on the outside and you can let us know what you think. So we obviously started in the most exciting part of this rig, in the living room. So you get your entertainment center here. You do have across the way theater seats, so you are able to view the TV from across, so you're not having to turn or anything like that. Both of these couches do go into sleeping area. It leaves about a 3 to 4 inch gap, and it's really simple how these work. I'm going to show you. And these are the first. This is the first day with our new mic system, so you can hear all of the movement. I apologize on that. Okay, so once you get that down, you just take this back part, flip her in. Ta-da! All done. Super simple, super easy. Didn't take a lot of effort. It doesn't take a lot to get it put back either. I know a lot of people ask, well, how easy is it to, change it from a living room to a sleeping? I have to use my feet because I'm a little short to be able to get that to go down on its own. A lot of people ask, how easy is that if, my friends are gonna stay and I need to switch it from a couch to a bed? Pretty simple. So we're gonna work our way into the kitchen from the living area, but on our way there, I'm gonna give a couple of shout outs. So first, theater seats, of course, always comfortable. You've got your heat, your light, your massage, all the great things. Extra spot for your coffee cup or beverage of your choice, along with cup holders, recliners. I'm not gonna recline it because if I will, or if I do, I won't wanna move. So storage up above, kind of a nice little spot to put all kinds of different, maybe some cards, or your camera can go up there, or binoculars, just all kinds of different things. Binoculars are good for seeing wilderness, not just spying on your neighbors. Don't spy on your neighbors. Hopefully your neighbors don't spy on you either. Okay, moving on in to the kitchen. A lot of fifth wheels that have this middle kitchen area will have a kitchen island right here, which really obstructs the flow. This one doesn't have that extra slide, so it doesn't have the kitchen island. There's lots of space here, which is really fantastic. Gives you a lot of counter space. We'll give a shout out. Compass Connect. Nicely hidden behind your decorated cabinet door. Drawers, of course. That's your fuse box. And then all of your typical drawers goes all the way down. Once you've seen one cupboard, you kind of get the idea of it. I am too short to reach, so these ceilings are obviously very, very tall. Very nice for my taller friends. Microwave. You do get a 3-burner stove and an oven, nice and large. You could cook a chicken in that, or maybe a small turkey. Thanksgiving in the camper. More counter space, which is really handy. More drawers, of course. Now you do get a nice large stainless steel sink. Always helpful. Pull down faucet. I'm gonna let that slide in there. Okay, storage underneath, and look at what they did. They left it wide open. So you are able to put a kitchen garbage under there, or maybe you have furry family members like cats or dogs, and their dog food or cat food needs to go somewhere too. Great place for that, or just extra storage for different things. moving into the pantry, speaking of extra storage, this pantry is so large, it's so hard to get the full feel of it. Do you see that? It's got corners. This pantry doesn't just go one depth, it's got two, it's got a lot of space in there, it's fantastic. Lots and lots of room. I could actually fit my whole body in here if I really wanted to. I was hiding earlier. Great place for hide and go seek if that's what you do on a rainy day. Okay, so nice big fridge. Ooh, this is actually quite cold too, and it hasn't been plugged in for very long, so that's kind of handy. And your freezer on that side as well. Moving over to the dining area, you do get 2 chairs and the bench. Bench, as always, can be moved out. You can bring it up into the front living for an extra footstool of some kind, or you can also use it for storage. The other thing that is beneficial to not having that kitchen island here is you're able to put maybe another chair or just another extra person. Maybe you have small children and you need a high chair or some kind of child something. Great place to put that because you've got all this space, which is super, super great. Okay, we're gonna keep moving on into the bathroom. So I'm looking behind so I don't run into things. Okay, into the bathroom, you do have overhead storage. It's a lot of the little things. It's a towel bar, which is fantastic. Porcelain toilet. There's a lot of reasons that porcelain is better. Storage underneath. You can fit a little bathroom garbage in there. Of course, your cupboards, always handy. Nice towel rack, which is great. Then you don't have to worry about finding a good place to put that. Lots of storage there. So the shower does have a step up into it. However, once you get in, this has lots of space. Lots and lots of space. Very, very tall. So if you're a tall person and your concern is the shower, this isn't going to be a concern for you at all. Nice glass shower doors. Just make sure that these are closed when you travel on travel days. That could go real bad real fast. There is an exit door right across from the bathroom. So if you're out at the campsite, hanging out, and you just need to run in, use the bathroom, or you just came out of the lake or from fishing, and you just want to come in, shower off, perfect, easy access. Awesome. All right, moving into the master bedroom or the main bedroom. So you do have walk around. What's great is you can actually get quite far up to the bed, which is really awesome. Sometimes with walk around beds, it only goes so far and then you have to climb in the bottom anyways to get in. Storage up above. Windows on either side. You do have a lot of wardrobe storage over here. Drawers, of course. Lots of space. Now, this bedroom is also prepped for a washer dryer as well in this nice little hidden compartment over here with, do you see that? Motion sensored light. Fantastic. Lots of great space. Of course, you've got a couple extra drawers, which are just handy. I wish I had that at my house where I could do laundry and then fold it and just put it right into the drawer underneath. That'd be great. Pocket door, sliding door really minimizes or utilizes the space and minimizes that extra door hitting each other because the bathroom's so close, which is great. So we're gonna work our way on the outside, and I'm going to give you a heads up. It might get a little loud because they are working on some campers. Our facility has 24 service bays, so we're always working on something, always helping campers get back out into the camping world or prepping new ones. Speaking of new ones, if you are interested in this unit or maybe any other unit in our inventory, again, my name is Haley. You can give me a call. My number is 218-740-4997. So let's work our way in the outside and see what we've got out here. So another shout out to the steps. So the steps on this, there's two entries, so both entry have the solid steps, which is great. Not only do they have the solid steps, but they have the MoRide steps that can go up, brush all that extra dirt and debris off before you flip them up into your camper, which is fantastic. So we're gonna work our way this way. So we're under one awning, then we move our way over here underneath another awning, which is great. You do have an outlet and cable hookup, your second set of stairs that also flip up to get debris off. Moving over, and I have to watch my head, pass-through storage can be used for a variety of things. So you can use this for your generator, for your camping chairs, for maybe, I don't know, tables and an extra screen tent or just all kinds of things. Pass-through storage is very fantastic. Couple of reasons why pass-through storage is so great is because you can not only reach it from this side, you can reach it from the other side. Because as we know, things shift during travel days and you're gonna need to be able to access some of that one way or the other. So, fiberglass siding, fiberglass front cap that is wrapped all the way around so your seams are not on the very edge. They're over off to the side, which is great. This fifth wheel comes with a Rhino box. Rhino pin box. Lots of storage in the front. Great place to put a generator there too, or extra things. So we're gonna work our way. I'm gonna give this a shout out. So the door doesn't come up underneath and open this way. It opens to the side, so you have a lot better access into this pass-through storage. You have your electric leveling, your tire link, another light, and then you've got your light into your convenience center. In your convenience center, you have your hot and cold water with your spray spout. There we go. And then you do have your access, so you can put your hoses, and that goes all the way through the belly of your unit, so then that way you can put all those hoses or all those connections for maybe your cable and all those other things through there, but your door can be closed and locked, so your items in your pass-through storage do still stay safe. So, moving our way. So it is a 6-point leveling system, double axle of course, with a 42-foot long camper. You're utilizing all this different space, but of course they didn't let any space go to waste, and they gave you some more storage out here as well. And you are prepped for a camera in the back. You do also have a ladder that goes all the way to the top, so you're able to get up there, do all of the roof maintenance that you're needing to do, and get all the debris off that you need to get off. All right, let's work our way back into the living area one more time. Nice, great big grab handle. So, there it is, the 2023 Grand Design Reflection, the 370 FLS. First reflection that has a front living floor plan. Fantastic. Again, I'm Haley Johns. If you'd like to work with me on this unit or maybe any other unit in our inventory, give me a call, 218-740-4997. And as always, I'm willing to go the extra mile to help you camp in style. Have a great day.